Hey, what's up guys? My name is Joe and welcome to the new set. It's still under construction, not fully finished there, but we're working on it. We're getting there. If you missed last Friday's video, that was the vlog showcasing our move. We're in a new location now. We're in a place that's bigger and better. So if you missed that, it's right there. Springtime is officially upon us with summer not being too far away. So I thought now is as good a time as ever to talk about the 5 best spring/summer trends, men's hair trends of 2018. As the warmer months approach us, the biggest theme that presents itself in most of these trends are shorter haircuts and hairstyle. And this is kind of a year in, year out thing when it comes to experimenting with hairstyles. Generally, people try longer hair for the winter and shorter hair for the spring and summer. That just seems to be a seasonal thing, and with that said, I present the 5 best spring and summer hair trends. Number 1 is a bit of a refinement of the versatile 4 inches, which I mentioned in my best hairstyles of 2018 video. Right there. The versatile 4 inches, as I've named it, is basically having 4 inches of hair length at the top of your hair. With 4 inches of hair length, this gives you the option to rock it either messier or more neater, depending on the occasion and what you're wanting to go for. In the video when I first brought this up, I mentioned that the length of your sides doesn't really matter. It's kind of whatever you want to do. But for the spring and summer hair trends specifically, we're talking about the versatile 4 inches with shorter sides and back. Similar to the length that I have going on right now, if we can get in focus. Thank you. My hair length currently is more around 4.5 inches, but I'm still able to rock it more messy like I've done here. Or if I wanted, I have the option to have a more classic look, like a side part, something that doesn't have, you know, as much messiness to it or as much texture. And that's what I like about 4 inches of hair length. If I had my hair any longer, I couldn't rock it messy like I have right now. And if I had it any shorter, I couldn't rock the more classic side parted hairstyle. 4 inches basically gives you the best of both worlds. It gives you a bunch of options. And talking about shorter back and sides, this brings me to number 2, which are low fades and skin fades. A low fade and a skin fade are very similar. The main difference is that low fades have the fade on the side and the back lower than normal skin fades. However, both hairstyles usually fade down to the skin. Skin fades always do, and low fades usually do. Now, if you've never gotten a skin fade before and it's something you're wanting to try out, I would recommend starting with the low fade first because it's a very good transitional step. Low fades go down to the skin, but they still have a good amount of hair on the side, so it doesn't look all that much different to, you know, a regular undercut, for example. Low fades and skin fades are a great option for the summer, especially if mixed with messier matte finished hairstyles. Messy hairstyles, again, being a big trend moving into the summer. And if you guys want to get into the high holding textured hair game, we've actually released a combo kit for a limited time featuring original and Cavalier bundled together for a discounted price. We wanted to provide a solution for people who have thick or coarse hair and get you a kit which is designed to get unruly hair under control and looking slick. Not to mention, original has built-in heat protection, which is great to protect against blow dry usage and also that summertime heat. So if you want to check out the limited combo kit, I've got you guys covered with the link down below. Now, what I like about skin fades is that they look unique, but actually a lot of different hair types can pull them off. Thick hair, curly hair, as long as your hair on top is cut correctly, getting a skin fade on the sides can look really good for a lot of different people. Also, I'm about due for a haircut, so skin fade, maybe it's something to expect coming up very shortly. Number 3, this is a trend that is an option for those of you guys who like longer sides, and that's the longer natural swoop back. Perfect example of this hairstyle, Bradley Cooper from The Hangover. Now, not everyone can pull this hairstyle off. For example, if I try to grow my sides out, focus. If I try to grow my sides out, they just start getting poofier and poofier. They start just expanding this way. In fact, I think I've got a photo example for you so you can see what happens when my sides get longer. But people who can generally pull off the longer natural swoop back are people with thinner hair but who have a lot of hair. The nice thing about this hairstyle is that if you have the right length, which I would recommend being between 6 to 8 inches, 6 to 8 inches just all around, is that it doesn't take much work to make your hair look great. In fact, most of the time, since your hair is long enough to support itself in a backwards direction, you don't even need to use a blow dryer, just some kind of natural holding product that gives you a little bit of control. In fact, I think I got one of those around here somewhere. If you're a guy with longer hair and you want to try out a similar hairstyle, Hybrid by BluMaan is our cream clay that provides a more natural hold, so it's perfect for more relaxed, swoopy look. Also, Hybrid is a great option for anyone who wants to go for a more relaxed, summery vibe type of hairstyle. I've got Hybrid linked down below if you want to check it out. Call to action, that's what that is. Number 4 on this list is a hairstyle that pretty much any guy can pull off, and that's the FAUX Hawk. The FAUX Hawk.
The FAUX Hawk?
Yeah. That's what? Faux hawk. Oh my gosh. I can't think today. Look, there's a lot of noisy people next to me. I can't use my brain properly. Oh, it's the faux hawk. Obviously, I know that. Obviously. By the way, this is a receipt for my plants. I need to get paid back. Keep spending my own money for things in this office. Yeah, these lights, I paid for the, yeah, but, oh no, I got paid back for those, I think. Oh no, I didn't. I didn't get paid back. I've spent like over £100 now, I'm pretty sure. If you're confused by what a faux hawk is exactly, oh no, another woman has entered the premises. They're not too chatty now though. If you're confused by what a faux hawk is exactly, like I was a minute ago, faux hawk. I can't say this word. If you're confused by what a faux hawk is exactly, like I was a minute ago, it's basically a more refined version of the versatile 4 inches I mentioned earlier. No one's even watching this video at this point. Why do I even bother? There's no one even watching the video right now. Everyone's tuned out like 3 minutes ago. Should we just end the video here? Number 5 is some highlights, okay? See you guys. To put it simply, most of the time faux hawk haircuts are shorter back and sides that blend into the top of your hair, and the hair on top is typically styled in a forward direction. Once again though, since it's typically styled in a more messy-ish, pushed forward manner, it's a great option for spring and summer of 2018. Also, when it comes to the length on the sides, it's kind of up to you when it comes to a faux hawk. You can either take it down real short or you can rock it a little longer, so whatever makes you feel more comfortable inside. And for our 5th and final spring and summer trend 2018, we are talking coloring, hair coloring. Spring and summer, these are the months to try something lighter, something, you know, a little happy looking. Once again, I mentioned in my 2018 hairstyling video about platinum blonde, and this is a good example. This is something that would look great for spring and summer. But more than that, simply getting some highlights done that are lighter than usual. For example, I did go in and get platinum blonde. That's what this used to be, as in it used to be a more gray look. However, the gray faded away very quickly, leaving me with what I've got now, which is kind of very, very light, yellowy, kind of whitey look. And even though it's not what I originally went for, I still like the color. I think that it looks quite cool and it's very fitting for the season. So if you're in the mood for experimenting, try getting some light hair coloring done. Oh, and also check out the thick hair control system combo kit that we got going on. It's got these 2 fabulous products, discounted price just for you, link down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm finished with this video and I'll see everybody next time.